Let's take a look at chain of command. While the chain of command was once a basic cornerstone in the design of organizations, it's far less important today. The chain of command is a line of authority in the organization that clarify who reports to whom. We can't discuss the chain of command without also discussing authority and unity of command. Authority refers to the rights inherent in a managerial position to give orders and expect them to be obeyed. To facilitate coordination, each managerial position is given a place in the chain of command, and each manager is given a degree of authority to meet his or her responsibility. The principle of unity of command helps preserve the concept of an unbroken line of authority. It says that a person should have one and only one superior to whom which he is directly responsible. If the unity of command is broken, an employee might have to cope with conflicting demands or priorities from several supervisors. Times change, however, and so do the basic tenets of organizational design. Many employers and employees are now empowered to make decisions previously reserved for management.